Hi, Jonathan here. So now I'm going to talk about how to overhaul your gas hob when it goes wrong, if it's struggling to ignite or if the burner is struggling to stay on. So here's the burner. Please imagine that it's in a worktop. So first of all, if you've got a problem with ignition, take the actual burner off, clean around the electrode, and check there's a good spark there, and check the actual burner is clean as well. If you've got an issue where the gas isn't coming through, what I'd recommend you do is take the actual burner out. So here I've got a spanner, trusty wearer. Take it out, give it a clean, and put it to the light. You even use a bit of a needle if need be. Then what I would recommend you do is you've got screws holding the actual hob in. So what you have to appreciate is underneath this is secured to the worktop using brackets. So obviously in reality you'd turn it off at the gas cock underneath and you'd pull the plug out or isolate it. So imagine you're taking the 4 screws off. I'm going to lift it up. What you'll find is it'll often lift up towards you, so you have to take it off. So ta-da! Here we have it. So let's say, for example, if there's a problem with it not igniting. Here, this cable here that goes to the spark, can you see that? Look for black marks, because you might find it where it's burnt out or it's leaking the actual spark generator. So you might be able to put some electrical tape around it so the actual spark survives to it. So let's look at why the burner won't be staying on. So what you need to do is you need to look at the thermocouple. So here we've got a thermocouple. So take off the bracket that secures it. In this case, I have to put a little bit of WD-40 on it just to get it through. Lift it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, I think. Put it out like so, twist it, comes out. So there's your thermocouple. Can you zoom in, please? And then always get a fixed head spanner so it doesn't damage the brass nut. And that's the thermocouple, and this will stop your hob burner from staying alight. So usually what happens is the heat energy from the thermocouple, which has a form of alcohol in, will send the heat energy through, and when you press your gas hob down like so, that will create magnetism. So the heat from the burner catches magnetism energy, comes across, and actually keeps the magnet in, letting the gas through. And obviously if this is leaking or worn, what will happen is the magnet won't stay in, and that's what makes it fail. So that's how you take a thermocouple out. Also, if you've got a problem with this, you've tried taking it out and it's still not working, you've poked it with a needle, just try taking it out, try cleaning it, and you can also take these tubes out as well. Done.